Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Sellerise Chrome extension for product research right on Amazon in real time with zero complicated steps. Let's get started from the very beginning. First, download the extension. You'll need to install the Sellerise Chrome extension. Just go to the Chrome Web Store, type Sellerise, and click Add to Chrome. It takes a few seconds, and once it's added, you'll see the blue Sellerise icon in your browser toolbar. If you don't see it, click the puzzle icon and pin it for easy access. Before using the extension, you'll need to sign in. Click the Sellerise icon and you'll see two options: create a free account or log in if you already have one. The free account is enough to use the extension. Just enter your email, set a password, and you're in. Once you're logged in, you're all set. The extension will now automatically activate on Amazon pages. Next, how to perform product research. Let's search wallet for man. As you scroll, you'll see small data blocks appear on every product. This turns a blind search into a real market scan. Here, two wallets might look identical on Amazon, but Sellerise shows you that one has $767,000 per month, another has $20,000 per month, one has 37 variations, another has 3 variations, one has a seller from China, another is a seller in the US. This helps you answer the first important question in product research. Is there a real demand here, and who controls it? And by the way, the best part, all this research, it's completely free with unlimited searches. Without opening a single listing, you already understand the landscape. Next, click the blue Sellerise icon. Now you enter the full research view, where Sellerise breaks the niche down so you can understand it entirely. At the top, you'll see metrics like opportunity score. This means how attractive this market is to sellers who want to join this niche. In other words, this means how likely you can achieve great results if you join this niche now. Next, total revenue during the last 30 days. How big this niche actually is. Average revenue. If most sellers make money or just a few. For example, if total revenue is $5 million, but average revenue is only $20,000, most sellers are struggling. If average revenue is $150,000 plus, that means many sellers are winning, not just one. Okay, average BSR shows how well products in this niche generally rank on Amazon. Lower BSR equals stronger demand and faster sales velocity. Price. Can you compete profitably? Average reviews and rating, how hard is it to break in? We even analyze keywords. As you can see, clicks and sales during last 30 days. This shows you proof of buyer demand. SFR, search frequency rank, how active and popular the keyword wallet for man is compared to all other keywords on Amazon. The smaller the number, the higher this keyword is ranked, the more popular it is, and the greater demand it has. Okay, wallets have 13,000 plus average reviews. Extremely competitive, but they also have millions in monthly revenue. High demand. This view gives you the story of the niche, not random numbers. All right, in the list of the products, you see very important details of each of them, such as listing score that shows you how strong the listing is and where it can be improved to compete better. It even provides improvement tips, so if you decide to sell a similar product, you'll know exactly how to make your listing stronger. And if you already sell on Amazon, you can check your own product score to quickly identify weaknesses and optimize your listing for better visibility and conversions. Next in the table, revenue, price, FBA fees, rating. Review summary, where you can check what people like and hate about these products, and other metrics that help to make clear decisions to choose that one product. And while you're analyzing products, if you want any item, you just hover over on Amazon to automatically highlight and sync inside the Sellerise table. Just open the extension settings and turn on hover match. Now, finding the exact product in the list is instant and no more losing track while scrolling. Well, I'm already in the settings. Let me show you another really useful option, background dimmer. If you're working mostly inside this table and want to block out all the Amazon noise behind it, just turn it on and everything else fades away. It just keeps you focused. And my best ever setting option, finally, it's an ability for dark mode. If you're researching at night, this is a lifesaver. Just select dark in the Amazon theme and extension theme. I'll set it to auto so it follows your system theme. If your laptop is in dark mode, Sellerise will be too. And if your system is on auto, it will switch with the time. Super comfortable for long research sessions. Closing the setting. While analyzing products, you can quickly access the advanced research view by clicking View, Product Details. There, you'll see a detailed analysis of sales, variations, review, and rating history, keyword insights, as well as BSR and price history. Next, if you go back to the main list, you'll also see a little Alibaba icon next to each product. Just click it and Sellerise instantly pulls up the same or similar items on Alibaba. Super quick way to check suppliers and manufacturing prices. You can click any product to see its full product history, price changes, and even the list of keywords where the ASIN has ever ranked in top 3. I'm gonna show you more in a second, and if on this stage you like a certain product, just save it to your favorite list right here. Okay, once you found an interesting product, let's say this one, click on it to see more details. Sellerise will automatically analyze and show you all the core data, how many units this product sold in the last 30 days, how much product revenue and parent revenue it generated, and its average rating. You also get that review summary so you can spot improvement opportunities in seconds. Next is the listing score, the metric I explained earlier. Really important detail for your research. And last but not least, how many keywords this product uses to rank on top Amazon positions. Next, let's move into the advanced view. At the left side, you can see all the key details of the product you choose for your convenience. In the sales block, you can check the whole sales history. This is where you can see if the product is consistent or seasonal. Variation performance. Here you can find out which color or style actually sells. Well, out of 10 colors, only 2 may generate 80% of sales. This tells you what your product lineup should look like. Rating growth. Fast-growing reviews equals strong demand plus good customer experience. Slow review growth equals weak engagement, higher risk. Additionally, you can analyze the product history. Did they run discounts to boost rank? In addition to it, you can also check the changes in BSR and number of sellers who sell the product. Keyword rankings. See what keywords drive their sales and how they perform on Amazon overall. A wallet might not rank well for men's wallet, but dominate slim RFID wallet. This tells you the real angle customers respond to. If you find products worth tracking, click Save to Collection. This lets you compare products later or share them with your team, and that is it. This is the short version of product research. Of course, there are so many ways you can use and interpret this data depending on what you're looking for. And if you're trying to find your next winning product or just want to spy on your competitors the smart way, this extension makes it insanely easy. The core features are totally free with unlimited searches. So you have nothing to lose to take the next step and build the business you've been aiming for.